So hello friends, welcome back. This is another question on physics and let us see. So not a difficult question, good for JEE Mains and Advanced, but yeah, some people might do some mistake on this. So let us discuss. The question goes like this: is a hypothetical term called axis charge index. Okay, so this is a hypothetical term axis charge index. So such questions do come in IIT in which they make something new to test whether the student is able to think on the spot. Because what you have studied, you are able to perform in many of the questions, but something new is given there and you have to think impromptu. So let us see, there is a hypothetical term axis charge which is defined as A is equal to dq r square by integration, right? Dq is a charge on the small element, r is the distance of dq from a line. Okay, now we are given a solid sphere where charge density is rho coulomb per meter cube. We need to find about this diameter line the value of this term. Okay, so it is not a difficult question. So what many students do, they consider an element. So so let me just tell it again that this hypothetical term we need to calculate about the diameter of the solid sphere. So what many students do, they take an element like this, an element of thickness dr and distance r, which becomes a hollow sphere, which is a shell. It becomes like this, and then they do the integration. This is the wrong method. This option is also given generally in the question. So what is wrong in this? You are taking the distance from the center, but they are asking about the diameter. Now about the diameter, obviously if I take a circular element, the distances are changing. This is large, this is small. Okay, so you cannot take like this. So what has to be done now? See, the whole thing is a sphere, but the element that you will consider is a cylinder. So we will consider a cylinder at distance r. So like this, because every element now, so it is of thickness dr, it is of thickness dr. So every element is now at a distance r from it. Okay. So let us calculate the term now based on this. So we can write A is equal to dq. dq is how much? Rho into the volume. Volume is how much? 2 pi r into my length. Yeah, 2 pi r into length, area into thickness dr. So 2 pi small r into length. Length is how much? So if this is the capital R radius, so we know this radius. Okay. So if this is r, then the length becomes under root r square minus r square, r square minus r square, this length twice of this. So twice of this is into 2. So rho into 2 pi r into length into dr. So this is the charge into r square, integration, r varies from 0 to capital R. I hope this is clear. So it was not a difficult question, but yes, something new had to be thought about. That in a sphere the element is a cylinder. So this is the new thing that we have to think. So let us calculate 2 pi, okay, 4 pi rho goes outside, is constant, it becomes r cube under root r square minus r square into dr from 0 to r. Okay, how to integrate this? Let us take r square minus r square is equal to t square. From this we have minus 2r into dr is equal to 2t dt. So this becomes 4 pi rho. Okay, integration. So r dr is t dt negative. That means t dt remains. 1 r square was there. R square will become r square minus t square into this value is t. Integration. When r is 0, t is r. When r is r, t is 0. Okay, using the negative sign we will invert the limits. So we have A is equal to 4 pi rho integration from 0 to r into t square r square minus t square dt. So this is 4 pi rho into, so this is r square into t cube by 3, that means r cube by 3 minus r to the power 5 by 5. So this is how much? 8 pi rho r5 by 15. Okay, so this is what we are getting. I hope the question is clear. So this hypothetical term we have to calculate in a sphere. We consider the element as cylinder. Okay. So let us also take this question in another way by symmetry. This is by integration. I am erasing this. So this term looks familiar with the moment of inertia. Yeah? Dm r square. This term looks similar with this. So let us compare. We can write A as I into Q by M. Yeah, I upon mass into Q. So by symmetry we can write it like this. So this becomes for sphere it is 2 by 5 mr square into charge. Charge is how much? 4 by 3 pi r cube rho upon mass is m. M gets cancelled. 8 pi r5 rho by 15. So same answer is coming. So this is a shortcut, but yes, many people might not be able to think like this. So this is a short way of integration. I hope the question is clear. So if you have any doubts, you can write in the comments. We'll discuss and share this video with all your friends. We'll be in the next class with another good question. Yeah. So keep practicing daily 50 to 100 questions. Practice makes you perfect. Okay. Practice makes you perfect. It is not the a number of lectures you see. Obviously they help you, but it is your own practice that will help you. Okay. So all the best.